Good day. This is Introduction to Marketing 6037 Analytics and Metrics. Real short video just to give you a bit of a heads up on the course and the overview of what we're going to cover. All right, so we're going to be looking into a framework for you to learn about the relevant data, metrics, and analytics considerations related to a CRM system or customer relationship management systems. And the topics are going to cover data accuracy, privacy, CRM as part of a larger enterprise ERP, CRM metrics, the CRM roles, CRM user groups, as well as how it fits into the overall enterprise data flow and how that works, as well as business rules and how they affect CRM and the data that goes within it. You will require a new understanding of the various systems and users who will depend on your data, learn the privacy requirements for customer information, and recognize how to harness CRM as a part of your larger enterprise data ecosystem to support the organization through analytics. All right, so a little bit about the course. Why is it important to understand metrics and analysis while related to customer relationships management? Well, if you're not a technical person, some of you may think, do you need to have a computer science degree or an expert in that? Well, you do not need to, nor do you need to the prior experience in analytics. But similar to, being in biology or taking your first course in biology, there will be unfamiliar terms and some new theoretical applications, but we're not going to be dissecting a frog like you would, or getting deep into and having you sort of schematically design a ERP processor or that type of thing. But we will be talking about how data is collected and what it does within your overall system. So that's about as deep as we'll get technical. It's in the next couple of modules. We'll dig into it a little bit, but we're more about the analysis, the figure out the metrics, the importance of it, and what you need to do with it, and what you can and can't do with it, kind of idea. So the course materials, there's no textbook. There is a self-guided study, LinkedIn learning through the website, YouTube tutorials for Excel that you guys can use and get to. But those technologies of LinkedIn Learning as well as Excel, it's a review of the technology or the how to use Excel, that type of thing. Many of you may be very experienced with Excel. That's great. That's fine. It may be a update or a refresher in some of the areas of Excel just to help you with some of the assignments that will be coming along, but and fill in some blanks that you may have forgotten about or didn't know. But we're here to help and get you set up for success. That's why these courses will be available to you in the background. I will launch them at the end of things. There'll be a video on how to get to it through the My Fanshawe Learning. You will be able to launch those and do them in the background at your own pace to go through all of those Excel LinkedIn Learning modules. Okay, and there'll be another video walking you through that. Okay. The module topics, they'll cover 14, including the midterm and the final exam, various modules, and you'll be able to take a look at those. Here's the topics, everything from organizational memory through information integration, governance, CRM analytics, metrics that matter, even PIPEDA. We're looking at the privacy and what you can and can't do with people's data, and some comparisons. All right. So that's it for that. I look forward to seeing you in the next module.